The western yellow-billed cuckoo, Coccyzus americanus, is a fascinating bird native to the United States and Mexico. One of the most recognizable features of the western yellow-billed cuckoo is its striking yellow bill. This bright bill stands out against the bird's predominantly brown plumage. Like other cuckoos, these birds are skilled mimics. They can imitate the calls of other birds, which is thought to be a strategy to deter potential predators from discovering their nests. The primary diet of these cuckoos consists of insects, especially caterpillars. They are known to consume a variety of caterpillar species, which has earned them the nickname rain crow because their arrival often coincides with the summer monsoon season and an increase in caterpillar activity.